Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Extended Stay America Select Suites, Lafayette, Airport. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Extended Stay America, Lafayette, Airport is located in Lafayette and especially designed for longer stays, with all rooms featuring a fully equipped kitchen. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi and a 24-hour front desk. Every kitchen at Extended Stay America, Lafayette is equipped with a stovetop, microwave and a fridge. The hotel also provides guests with laundry and ironing facilities and upgraded bedding with extra pillows. Complimentary weekly housekeeping services is provided and daily service is offered for a fee. Towels and linen can be exchanged at the front desk at any time. The property offers free on-site parking. Attractions within close proximity to the hotel include the Vermilion Ville, the Avery Isl and Gardens and the Rip Van Winkle Gardens. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.